Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and try on the Swatch BIOCERAMIC MOONSWATCH Mission to the Moon with Ostrich leather strap. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a Swatch BIOCERAMIC MOONSWATCH Mission to the Moon with Ostrich leather strap, and just taking a look at the details of the box packaging. And on the underside or base of the box there are the 11 planets or stars making up the Omega Cross Swatch BIOCERAMIC MOONSWATCH watch collection. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by sliding off the outer box sleeve. I'm just setting that box sleeve on the right hand side of the tabletop and taking a look at the box packaging. And on the underside of the box, the details that's on it. So the reference for the watch is SO33M100C. And now let's go ahead and open up the box to reveal the Swatch BIOCERAMIC MOONSWATCH Mission to the Moon with Ostrich leather strap, and giving you a look at the watch up close before I start handling it. And now let's pop the contents out from the box packaging and set them on the tabletop, and we'll take a closer in look at the details. And of course there is the watch itself, so once again giving you a look up close, and of course at the ostrich leather strap of the watch. So we can see that it does have Velcro or hook and loop fastening for the strap or band. And of course let's pop the watch off from its holder. And we can close the box back up. And just sliding the sleeve back onto the box so that we can set it to the side neatly with minimum distractions, and just setting the watch in the middle of the frame and giving you a look at the contents, of course laid out with the watch across the tabletop. Okay, so starting off with this, we do have what appears to be the watch catalogue in booklet form for the Swatch BIOCERAMIC MOONSWATCH watch collection, and just spreading out or unfolding the booklet and giving you a closer in look at the details contained within it. And flipping over to the reverse side, and there are the features of the MOONSWATCH collection. Okay, and just closing it back up and setting that to the left hand side of the tabletop. And moving on to the next item, there is a very thick booklet here which contains the warranty information in various languages, so just setting that to the side. Of course there is the guarantee or warranty card as well. And just setting that to the side as well on the left hand side of the tabletop. And now moving in to the Swatch BIOCERAMIC MOONSWATCH Mission to the Moon with Ostrich leather strap. So we can see it does have the typical Mission to the Moon design, however, with instead of the textile Velcro strap, it now has a French made Ostrich leather strap. So you can see the textures and of course the bumps or crowns. Of the strap. You can see more details on the underside. And of course, let's peel off the protective film so we can take a much closer in look and clearer look at that dial and the details that's on it. So giving you a look at the side profile as well. So it does have a 13.25mm thickness, and you can see the overall light grey colour to the case for the Mission to the Moon model. And of course the other details as well, with the Omega cross swatch at the 12 o'clock position and the Speedmaster at the 9 o'clock position and Moonswatch on the 3 o'clock position. And taking a look at the case back, we can see the image of the moon on the battery cover, as well as the overall engraved details on the case back. So it is a quartz powered or battery powered quartz movement with a 30-meter water resistant or 3-bar depth rating. So giving you a further out look of the watch right there. And of course, once again taking another look at the Ostrich leather strap. So you can see the details right there. Stamped. Or debossed into the leather strap. And of course the Omega cross swatch on the 6 o'clock strap position. And now let's test the chronograph out by starting the stopwatch with this 2 o'clock pusher. So you can see that central seconds hand ticking away now with each passing second. And let's stop and reset the chronograph. And now let's go ahead and try it on. So I do have an 8-inch or 18 centimeter circumference size wrist, and now let's strap the Ostrich leather Velcro strap onto my wrist. And give you a sense of the remaining length on the strap. And now let's fold it down and give you a look at the strap and watch fitted onto my (7-inch or 18 centimeter circumference wrist. It's right there once again, giving you a look at that Ostrich leather strap with Velcro fastening. Okay, and just popping the strap off. And giving you another look at the Swatch BIOCERAMIC Moonswatch Mission to the Moon with Ostrich leather strap, reference SO33M100C. So that's the Swatch BIOCERAMIC Moonswatch Mission to the Moon with Ostrich leather strap. Thanks for watching and happy ticking!